Today, we are going to be reviewing the red carpet for RuPaul's show, AJ and the Queen. I am very excited. I have pierogies. Things are great. They're so good. They're so good because I made them. Oh my god, I'm talented. So here's the looks that the queens wore on the runway. Here's the group photo. Can you guess what the theme is? Because I know I can't. Anyways, let me quit playing. The theme is red, clearly. Y'all might be wondering why I'm not wearing red, but isn't it obvious? Duh, I'm not like other girls, so. Let's see what these beautiful dressers are wearing. Yeah. Okay, Latrice Royale. Big and chunky yet funky. Latrice Royale, the chunky yet funky, bold and beautiful. Okay, I want to say I love this. I love her smile. I love that she's big, black, and beautiful and loving it. I love everything about Latrice. I love her energy. I love her positivity. And I actually love this dress. Oh, it's so much nicer than the dresses she wore on All Stars 4. Let's just be real. Let's move on to my homegirl, Laganja Estranja. Now, you know, me and Laganja, ooh, girl. I ain't never met her, but I feel like we'd be soulmates, you know what I mean? We'd be like, you know what I'm saying? Because, her and I, we both like to get it on and pop it, you know what I'm saying? With that said, I love the wig. I think she looks good. The wig is basic, though, and the dress is basic. She looks basic, but she does look nice. Now, I don't know who this hoe is, but Jiggly Haliente looks fucking great. Good to see her still showing up to things. Ooh, Thickerella. I was wondering who the thickie on the floor was. Okay. I was like, bitch, we already looked at Latrice. What the fuck there ain't two? So we got Silky up in these B. We got Big Silk, give you the milk. She looks great. She looks fun, fabulous. She looks like the red Teletubby. About to eat some cheese. Looks great. Now, Jace Mansfield wearing the same damn thing she wears every freaking event, everything she gets invited to, but instead of it being pink or blue, it's freaking red. Jace Mansfield, girl, it's 2020, we need something new, baby girl, from you, where it at? This, I don't know, this cookie cutter silhouette ain't gonna cut it, period. And now the glamour toad herself, Ginger Minj. Now, I think she looks amazing, y'all. Not really sure about what she's wearing, but the makeup and the hair, fabulous, decadent, perfect. Put it on a chocolate chip cookie and eat it. Great. Is this Troye Sivan? Yeah. I'm not gonna comment. That is a child. Now we got Trinity the Tug, always serving it up in a fabulous gown, looking extravagant and eloquent, looking like money, dollar bills. Mariah, same can be said, always looks great, stunning. Monique, she looked good. I like this hair color on her. I'm not sure about this makeup from this photo, but I don't know. Now let's go on to Shangela. Absolutely love this. Absolutely love every part of this. Honestly, the fact that she's showing up to this event, as a boy, because she's kind of done. She's really ran the relevant game as a drag queen, so she's showing up to this event as a boy, looking cute. I love it. She looks great. Same with Valentina, showing up as a boy, looking, well, she looks a bit less cute and more edgy, editorial. Bitch, that ain't no fucking. She looks a bit more edgy and editorial than Shangela, but they both look cute. Now we got Raven. Oh, wow. Girl, that makeup is amazing. Absolutely stunning. Girl, say what you want about her, but a bitch can beat. I hit my finger. Now we got Mayhem Miller. She looks, okay, this is my favorite look of all of them. She looks juicy. She's giving me Lil' Kim. She's giving me bougie housewife. She giving me money. She giving me May got the money. You know what I'm saying? Okay, she looks great. And then we got Eureka. Anyways, I want to thank you guys all for watching this video. Thank you for being skinny and beautiful. You all are the best. I'm going to finish my pierogies and enjoy. Y'all, this wig tight as hell. Oh, let me just... Oh no. Bro, let me just get some. Let me get some.